All right, let's break down that final, crucial step in any real estate deal, the closing.
So what's really going on here? We're going to look at both the rules and the math. At its heart, settlement is just the official swap, the property title for the purchase price. The old way was, well, kind of messy, so the government stepped in to protect consumers.
This new rule got rid of 4 confusing forms, replacing them with just 2 simple ones.
One of those is the closing disclosure. Think of it like the final itemized receipt for the whole deal. And here's the key. You get a mandatory 3-day review period. It's the law.
This gives you time to look everything over, no pressure, before you sign on the dotted line.
Now, a crucial point. That 3-day rule is for consummation, when you're officially locked into the loan.
So does any little change restart that 3-day clock? You might be surprised. The answer is no. It takes a pretty big change to restart that waiting period. In fact, only these 3 will do it.
Okay, let's talk numbers. Proration is just a fancy word for splitting the bills fairly.
It really just boils down to who used what and who's going to end up paying the final bill. And here's how those IOUs actually show up on paper for both the buyer and seller.
Want to see it in action? Let's do a quick calculation using property taxes as an example. And there it is. That's what the seller owes the buyer for the time they lived in the house.
All right, let's talk debits and credits. It's simple. Debits are charges, credits are cash received.
For you, the buyer, the home's price is a big debit. But hey, your new loan is a big credit.
For the seller, it's the reverse. The price is a credit, but paying off their loan is a debit.
Putting it all together, you can see how all these common fees get assigned.
The whole point is to balance the books and figure out what everyone actually walks away with.
So, if you remember one thing, it's this. Just understand the simple logic of who owes whom.
So now you know how it all works, but here's the real question. Could you spot an error?